Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix your ps4 mic when there's no sound on it. And I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, let's get right into it. So first of all, you go to audio devices, and as you can see, the volume's all the way down. And see, that's your problem. Because when you first get your PlayStation, I'm pretty sure the volume's all the way down on your mic or something like that. But that's your problem. So you just turn that up. And another way to fix it is that right there. It's probably just on chat audio, and you switch it to all audio. I've had that problem before, but I hope this fixes your mic if that's your problem. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So, I hope you guys liked this video. And, so be sure to subscribe if you're new. And, like this video. I might have already said that, but, hope you guys are having a good day. And, yeah. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you guys this. This is my new headset. It's a Turtle Beach something. I don't know. And right there's my bed. Probably already seen it, but and I got a fan right here. Oh crap, I showed you my fishing stuff. I want to do that video tomorrow. More than likely. But this is gonna be the end of the video right here. Hope you guys having a great day. And I'll see you guys in the next video.